Alright, so my name is Erica Simon. I'm a developer specializing in 3D environments, I guess. So this video is not about the Libby engine. I really apologize about that one. It's moving forward, but it's a long-term project, and right now I'm trying to focus on a more well, it's a very interesting project on the short term that might be very promising as well. So what I'm going to present to you today is called the LiBiWeb. It's 3D tools for the web. You might say we really got all kind of 3D tools for the web. We've got Babylon.js, we've got 3JS. What would be another one? And that's true. But the thing is, I don't see much going on in 3D on the web despite that. We've seen some websites like Sketchfab doing previews of 3D models. We've got some barely functional 3D art galleries, but I'm not seeing much going on. So, I've been promised this virtual world and so on, and since for basically decades we've been talking about it, and I don't see anything going on. So I'm trying to bring something new, to bring something that might work better than what everyone else is doing. I don't know. First of all, I'm using WebAssembly, which is a whole lot faster and more powerful than JavaScript, which is what Babylon.js and 3JS used. That's what I'm going to show you today, what I've been working on with these tools. So first of all, let me show you. We have 3 different demos going on for this video. First of all, let me show you Atrium. The idea here is to allow artists to very easily make 3D environments in which they can display, pictures and 3D models of all kind of stuff, sculptures, whatever. And as you can see, we can very easily create 3D environments in which you can navigate as freely as you would in a video game, basically. And everything is fluid dynamic, the shadows, the water and all, everything is in real time. You can even select object for which physics work fairly well and is fairly precise. You can see here, you can move them around, turn them. You can, if I want to put this on the roof, I can, I just put it away. If I somehow do it there, now it's on the roof. If I want to, add a picture on the wall, I can just select a picture of an object, and there, now you have it, and you can just put it on the wall, whatever you want. You can even bring, if I want to add a chair, just select the file, and there, now you have a chair on the wall. Yeah, that's not very realistic, but whatever. And if I want to apply texture on it, you can just select texture, drag it on the chair, and there you have, you have a texture on it. If you want it to be more realistic, you just add a normal map, you add the PBR, and now you got a very nice looking chair with a lot of details that looks like real leather, kind of. So yeah, the idea is to have a very realistic environment and to make it very easy for artists to bring stuff in. We don't have a saving function right now, so if you want to add objects and so on, you have to do it using JavaScript. But this is something I'll be working on in the next few weeks. The second demo is pretty much the same stuff, but the idea is to show that we can have very different environment. Like this one is inside a room, which has a very interesting architecture. You can just walk up the ramp very easily. You can go down. We also have real-time shadows for point lights, as you can see here. You can also grab objects, and you can do pretty much the same stuff I've been showing you in the Atrium. And so basically the only limit is creativity. All you need to create this kind of environment is a 3D models for the room, a 3D model for the physics, and that's it. You're good to go. The last demo I'm going to show you is a very traditional one. I mean, just to show you how flexible the library is. If you want to make a configurator, there you got one. Very easy. It's a few lines of code in JavaScript. You can just, change the type of shoe you want. It's really easy to do. Yeah, I mean, as you can see here, you can change the color if you want. You can change the texture. I mean, the point is that really you can do anything with it. And yeah, that's it for this video. I apologize about the format. I wanted to make more, nice looking video, which I would like practice many times and all, but that's what I tried to do with Libby Engine, and I ended up not doing anything. So I think I'll switch to this more informal kind of format, and that way I can make videos more often and keep everyone updated about the progress on the engine. So anyways, that's it for today. I'll try to post pictures and so on, progresses on Instagram as well, and on Twitter or whatever, and I'll try my best. In the meantime, all the data is going to be in the description. You can even download the library. So yeah, I mean, thank you for listening, and see you around for the next video.